Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, November 12th, 2024, and we're going down with QQQ. Inverted H with lightning. Inverted H, inverted H. Inverted H 555, inverted H.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 drop, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in half of our gains, and there is a very strong high probability this will reach the low of the day, getting down to the 200 moving average on both the 1 and 2 minute chart. So that area is a target of concern for us. All right, as you can see, we're getting towards the low of the day, and there's my phone, darn it. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to punch out, and then I'm going to answer this call, and then I think we're going to go back up with the market once it pauses on the 200 moving averages.
Order filled.
And there's a $1.30 move, ladies and gentlemen.
Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, November 12th, 2024, and we're going up with QQQ. H pattern, moving average bounce, oscillator agreement. H pattern, moving average bounce, oscillator agreement. H pattern, moving average bounce, slingshot.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to lock in half of our gains, and we're going to play this bar by bar moving forward. All right, another phone call, ladies and gentlemen. So we're going to have to pull our profits right.
Order filled.
And there's $1.20, ladies and gentlemen. So our first trade, we got $1.30. This one, we got $1.20. So we're up $2.50 on 2 trades today. As always, never forget, be a pro.